Simply Minimal White Icon Pack is a stylish icon pack designed specifically for Android devices, focusing on a clean, minimalist aesthetic. This pack features a wide range of simple yet elegant white icons that stand out against various backgrounds, promoting a sleek and modern look. The design philosophy emphasizes clarity and ease of use, making each icon easily recognizable and visually appealing. Ideal for users who appreciate simplicity, the icons are crafted to maintain a uniform style, resulting in a cohesive appearance across all apps on the device. The pack supports numerous popular applications, allowing for an extensive customization of home screens while maintaining a streamlined feel. Regular updates enrich the icon pack with new designs and refinements based on user feedback and trends. Ultimately, Simply Minimal White Icon Pack is an excellent choice for Android users seeking to achieve a sophisticated and uncluttered look on their devices, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality.